Hello viewers, today we will make a flower vase by using gypsum and a silicone mold. We have bought the silicone mold from online. The ratio of gypsum and water should be 2:1. For measuring the amount of water we have a beaker. Measuring the amount of water, take water into the silicone mold, then pour into the beaker. Now mix the color with water. You can also add the color after mixing the gypsum. Now take previously measured gypsum and mix it properly with the water. Now pour the mixture into the silicone mold. After pouring all the mixture into the silicone mold, keep the silicone mold at the same place for at least 30 minutes. The mixture will start to harden within 10 minutes and the process will end within 30 minutes. After hardening properly, we will start to demold the silicone mold from the gypsum. Our gypsum flower vase is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. For more video like this, please subscribe this channel.